Hello everyone, welcome to my another new video. Hope you're well and healthy. So today I'd like to talk about how you invite your friends, colleagues to join your Asana team. Actually, it is very easy to manipulate. You need to just follow some steps to solve these problems. Firstly, you have to come to your Asana dashboard. Then, the bottom of the left hand side, you'll see a invite teammate option. When you click on that, you'll see a invitation page. So whatever you have to do, you just add your friends or colleague email address over there and just add your project and just click on the send option. So how do you add your email address? It's just a very easy. Just add your friend's name. Like I have a friend whose name is Joy. Joy and just click on their hashtag and gmail.com. So that's like very easy. And you also add some other friends if you want to like to add. And then just click on your project options. Like you have many projects, so you just click on there and add some project over there and just click on the send option. So it is very easy. That's for today. Thank you.